Hi, good morning, friends. I'm Rena Shetty. Today, I want to talk to you about something very sad that is happening in the news. I'm not worried about political reasons, I'm not worried about Bollywood reasons. I'm talking about Aryan, Shah Rukh's son. He's one in a million. There are millions of children all over the world who have got into bad habits, and I feel sad for their parents who do not know what to do and how to help them. It's not only kids like this, it is anybody's kids, whether they're boys or girls. They're invited to cruises, Bollywood stars or their children. Other people want to go there to see them, and then they're given free drugs and free girls for sex. Now that is an incentive given to them so that the next time they come, they pay for all that. The girl who was there was found with 8 pills. Ecstasy is something that aggravates your libido. So you have sex for a longer time and with multiple partners. That means that girl is going to have sexual diseases and problems later when she matures and gets married. It is also going to harm the boys. They will also have transmitted diseases of sex because they will also be having sex with multiple partners. Now you will think that my child doesn't do these things. I'm a common man. I'm not talking about those drugs are available everywhere, in every corner of the street. It may not be drugs, it may be cigarettes, it may be bad friends. If your child doesn't bring his friend home or her friend home, it is something of a concern. Why does your child not bring her friends or his friends home? This is something you have to look into. Is there something wrong with his friend? Are his friends or her friends not welcome in your house? Every parent has to allow their children to bring their friends home. Do not say my child only smokes, my child only drinks. No, it begins from there. And if the child has no control over himself, the child can get an addiction. You must know where your child is going, whether your child is a boy or a girl. It is harmful to everybody. It is a child. It is our child. I'm not talking about only being worried about Indians. I'm worried about children all over the world. Know your children, know what they are taking, who their friends are, where they are going. And children, be aware. Sometimes not knowingly you are doing these things, not knowing the consequences of these things. So please take care. God bless you. I love you.